Welcome. Thanks for joining me. This practice is for when you are just slow to get out of bed. You don't really feel like getting up, maybe you're sore, maybe you're getting back into a different routine, maybe you're just tired, you stayed up too late, and you just kind of gotta get the blood flowing before you get out of bed. So, this is my flow that I love to do when I have those days, and yes, I have those days. So, come along with me. Hopefully you're still in your bed. Hopefully there's not someone next to you that you will annoy if you're doing this. You can also do this on your mat if you'd like to. Sometimes that helps. Or maybe just on the floor next to your bed. So you're going to start laying down. Best place. So go ahead and lay back. Find your position. You can keep your pillow there if you'd like. And just take like a little shavasana. So from here, one hand on the belly, one hand on the heart. And just start to scan over the body. If you feel it's too dangerous to keep those eyes closed, you can keep them open. And just start to tune into your breath. Have that belly rise and fall. Start to create and cultivate that Ujjayi pranayama, that slight constriction of the back of the throat. And just deepen the breath. Notice what happens as you deepen the breath. Then just take a peek at your day ahead. Acknowledge what lies in store, whether it be immediately after you get out of bed or further down the road. Whatever your thoughts turn to, acknowledge them. And then try to think of an intention that's going to help you face your day ahead. This is the perfect time, first thing in the morning, to set positive intentions. Maybe you need a little bit more confidence, courage, patience, understanding. Maybe you just need to be present. Whatever your intention is, start to cultivate that in your mind's eye. Use your breath. As you inhale, think I am. And as you exhale, state your intention. Inhaling, think I am. Exhaling, be present. Whatever your intention is, one more time. Inhale. Hold it in. And then sigh out the mouth. From here, take a big inhale. Reach those arms back behind your head. Slide your feet together. Big, long stretch. And as you exhale, bend those knees. Draw those knees into the chest, give them a little squeeze. Rocking a little bit. And then from here, taking that left foot, place it on the bed, taking that right leg extended up. And just have that hand behind the hamstring. And then slowly start to extend that left leg long. Just kind of rock a little bit. Maybe bend and extend a few times with your breath, inhaling and exhaling, inhaling and exhaling. Good. Inhale, maybe draw the leg toward you. Exhale, lift the chest a little. Inhale, bends back into it. And as you exhale, come into half happy baby. So draw that leg down on the side, either grabbing for your inside of your heel or your pinky edge. And again, if it's too much, you can bend this opposite leg and just rock around a little bit. I like to move it. I like to straighten it out to the side, just checking in here. And then slowly bend that left knee if it's not already. Place that ankle over the knee, coming into that laying pigeon, drawing the knees in, keeping with your breath, keeping with that intention, starting to set it. Let it build inside your body as you start to wake up. And then from here, placing that left foot down, take the right leg over the left. Shift your hips slightly to the right, let those knees drop down. A little bit of a twist, opening it up. Take your right hand, reach it up toward the ceiling, over to the left. And as you inhale, slide it across your chest, open up. Again, inhale, over. Exhale, open. Pause here, take a big inhale. And exhale. Inhale brings those legs back up to center. Unwind the legs. Find back to neutral, and then take that left leg up. Hands come behind the thigh. Walk the hands maybe up or down that thigh wherever you need, and then extend that right leg if it's okay. Maybe do little ankle rolls if you did on the other side. And then bending into the knee and straightening. Using your breath, nice full inhales and exhales. Nice big breaths. And straightening that leg back up. Maybe take an inhale, lift, exhale, leg toward you, and release it down. Bending that right knee, placing the ankle of the left foot across, and start to draw the knees in. Good, rocking a little bit. Breathing into that hip. Again, keeping that positive intentions in the body as you start to wake up. Feeling good. Notice how the body's responding to the stretches. And then placing that foot back down, across that left leg over, shift the hips slightly to the left, and let those knees drop to the right. Open up the arms, take a big inhale, and exhale. Inhale, open over toward that right side. Exhale, open back to the left. Inhale, left arm reaches up and over. Exhale, slide it across and open. Take a full inhale here. And exhale. Inhale, brings those knees back to center. Exhale, unwind the legs, bring yourself back to center. From here, make the feet a little bit wider. And then drop your knees over to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. So do a little windshield wiper legs, inhaling and exhaling. And when you get over to your right side again, pause. Take your right foot, press it right into the top of your thigh. Press down onto that left hip and then push your foot into your thigh and push it away from you. Getting a nice little stretch on the front of the hip. Keep that left hip down for now. And then take a moment and lift the hip, press it up. Keep pressing the foot down into the thigh, getting a deeper stretch into that hip flexor. And then slowly release the hip, release the foot. Come back over to the left, to the right. And then when you make your way over to the left again, place that foot right on top of the thigh. Press and keep that right hip down and just press the foot into the thigh and then away from you. So you're feeling that nice little stretch on the front of the hip. Take a couple breaths here. And then when you're ready, lift the hip up slightly, engage the glute, lengthen the tailbone, getting a little deeper stretch here on the front of the thigh. Exhale fully. Release the foot. Windshield wiper those legs again a couple times, left and right. And then from here, place the soles of the feet on the ground, or on your bed or the ground. Reach those hands, and you're just going to inhale, lift your hips. Exhale, back down. A couple bridge lifts. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. One more time. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. Taking those arms, reach them back behind you. Reach through the legs, and then lean over to the right. Reach and lengthen that left side. Take that left ankle, cross it over the right, and slide those legs to the right. So get a nice long side stretch here on the left. And then inhale, come back to center. Uncross the legs. Right leg crosses over left. Right arm's going to reach over. Use some traction by using a little bit of an open wrist here. And then slide those feet to the left. Press that right hip over, draw in through the belly. Big inhale. Exhale. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, bend those knees. Draw the knees into the chest. And roll yourself over to one side. Pausing there for a moment. Check back in with your breath and your intention. And then slowly press yourself up. Come to seated on your bed with your right shin in front of your left. Take an inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, rotate to the right. Sit up tall, big inhale. And exhale. Inhale, brings the arms up. Exhale to the left. Take a big inhale. And exhale. Inhale, brings the arms back up. Exhale, fold it forward any little bit, round it in, chin to chest. Inhale, lengthens you out. Exhale, lean it back, switch that left leg in front of the right. Inhale, takes the arms up. This time as you exhale, lean to the right. Nice little side stretch again. Inhale, reaches up. Exhale, over. Inhale, brings you up. Exhale, hands behind the back, interlink the fingers. Inhale, open the chest, lean it back. And exhale, fold it forward, arms release forward, round it in. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale here. Hands are on the knees. Inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, down and back. Inhale, up. Exhale, down and back. Inhale, up. Exhale, forward. Inhale, up. And exhale, forward. Inhale, open the chest. And exhale, hug. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, hug opposite arm on top. Inhale, lift and open, look up. Exhale, round. One more time here. Inhale, lift. And exhale, round. Inhale, lifts the head to center, reaching up. And then as you exhale, bring your hands to heart. Take one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly, let those eyes close. Take a couple moments here, checking back in with your intention. Coming back to the I am, and then stating your intention. Setting only good intentions for your day ahead. Staying with your breath. A few moments here, taking a little mindful meditation. Acknowledge the surroundings, stay with your breath, with your intention. For a couple moments of silence here. Take one more full inhale. Sigh out the mouth. Allow the hands to come back to the heart center. We'll set this intention and always know that you can come back to your breath throughout your day as you need it to help guide you to fulfill that intention you've set today. We'll close with one Om, setting that intention and sending it out to the world. Take a big inhale. Allowing your lips to curl up into a smile as you open your eyes. Have a fantastic day. Drink lots of water, eat some veggies, and wear some sunblock. We'll see you next time. Namaste.